Clipping is perhaps the easiest way to make money online right now. And in case you have never heard about it before, or you probably heard about it but you just didn't know how to go by it, then you have found the right video. In this video, I am going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to go from a complete beginner to making your first $1,000 with content clipping. I'm going to show you how to set up your account, how to find the best clipping offers, how to edit your clips and make them go viral. I'm also going to show you exactly how to automate your content clipping and how to create social media accounts that you can actually post your clipped content. So let's get started. But before we do, how about you subscribe to this channel and also like this video. The first step to getting started is to actually set up your Whop account. Now you'll find a link in the description of my video. Go ahead and click that link and you will land on this particular page. Now setting up your account is very easy. All you just need to do is click the join button, fill in your email address, and then go ahead and verify that email address with a code that has been sent to your email. Now once you're done, you can actually input your name and a username and you will find yourself on this particular page. The next thing you need to do is go to the Discover tab over here and click on it. And then just below the live streams, you will see the content rewards. And here you will find some of the clipping offers that you can actually start making money from. To see all the offers, I'm going to click on Show All. And here I have all the offers that are actually available. Now, since we're actually looking for clipping offers, the first thing we will need to do is go to type and then select clipping. And we'll actually find that there are about 245 creators who are actually ready to pay us to repost their own content. Now, we are not creating content new. We are just taking from their own content and posting it on our social media accounts. And we'll be getting paid anywhere from 50 cents to even as high as $5 for 1,000 views. Now here is what I normally do to select the best clipping offers. Now the first thing I'm going to be doing is actually find out if the owner of the Whop has actually paid out some creators already. Just as you can see here, this person has paid out $522. The entire amount he's willing to pay out is $26,000. So you can actually see that there is still enough time to actually earn out of this $26,000 offer. Now one thing you should actually take note of is make sure that you do not go ahead and start promoting offers that are coming to an end. Now this is simply because when you actually post on social media, when you post on your TikTok, on your Instagram, your video isn't just going to get views from the very first day. So it might take a day, it might take 3 days, it might take 5 days before you start getting views. And it will be of no use when you start getting views and you come back to Whop and you see that the offer has ended. So that is why you should first check out to make sure that there's still enough time for your videos to start gathering views and for you to earn. Now the next thing you need to take note of is what platform you are supposed to repost on. Now as you can see, this particular offer allows you to repost on Instagram, on TikTok, and on YouTube. So if you have an account on any of these platforms, go ahead and join this offer. But if perhaps all you had was a Twitter account and you didn't have any of Instagram or TikTok or YouTube, then surely this isn't the offer for you. So always note that you only pick offers that you have accounts that you can repost on. Now another thing that I always look out for is niche selection. Now these offers are in different niches. Now if I create a team page maybe on Instagram and the team page is about success, it's about money, it's about finance, then the offers that I'm going to be looking out for are offers that are related to money, to finance, and to all that good stuff. So one way I can actually do this is go to category and then select maybe e-commerce, music, anything that has to do with money and a good lifestyle. Then that is what I'm actually going to go for. And lastly, what I actually look out for is the CPM. How much am I going to get paid for 1,000 views? Now I can actually sort by the highest CPM over here, and you can see that one of the highest paying offers right now is this one from the Wonder Kid Circle, and it pays $10 for 1,000 views. Now there are other ones that pay also $10 for 1,000 views. So you can just go ahead and check any of these offers and then join the one that you like. Now joining any particular offer is quite easy. All you just have to do is click on it and then click on the join button. Now I must let you know that some offers don't allow people to join instantly. Some put you on a waiting list. Now if you find the offer that puts you on a waiting list, I'll just probably say you should leave that on the side. There are so many offers that allows you to join instantly, so make sure you join the ones that gives you access instantly. Now for the purpose of this tutorial, I am going to be going with this offer from Cluely. He actually pays $2 for 1,000 views. I'm going to go ahead. I've already joined the community, so I'm going to open it and show you what it's like on the inner page. So here you will actually find the home page, but what should interest you is the end page. So click on the end tab over here, and then you will see the content rewards. You can click on it so that you will see it pop up on the right side of your screen. Now you see that they have two offers currently. They have the clipping offer and the UGC offer. So we are interested in the clipping offer. I'm going to click on that. Now the first requirement it tells you is that you should submit your post for review within 1 hour of publishing to start getting paid. So always have that in mind, that once you post on your social account, the next thing is to come and submit that post for review. Now it says you must use hashtag Cluely. You must also tag try Cluely, and that your video must be less than 1 minute. Now that is all the requirements to start making money with this particular offer. Now the next thing you should check out is the assets. Now the assets will give you the content that you are going to work with and make your clip. So you have the Google Drive here, and then the Cluely is to their landing page. So what is of interest to us is the Google Drive. So we are going to go ahead and open this Google Drive and then get the content that we need to clip. Now I'm just going to download any one of these content. I'm going to go over to my video editing tool and then start editing. So to edit my video, I am going to be using CapCut. Now you can use any video editing tool that you like. You can use Filmora, you can use Clipchamp, you can actually use Premiere Pro, or you can actually use InShot if you're on mobile. It is actually free and it allows you to export your videos without any watermark. So you can actually use any video editing tool that you are comfortable with. So I already have my video imported into CapCut, and the first thing I'm going to do is go to the ratio here, and then I'm going to change it to the 9:16 ratio. And what I'm going to do next is increase the scale of the video. Now I can increase it up to 250%, or I can go as high as 100% and take up the entire space in the video. It is all left to what I want to do. Now once I have done this, the next thing is to find out the most interesting and the most engaging parts of the video. Now to do this, I do not need to watch the video from beginning down to the end. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you a very simple trick that you can use that will save you a lot of time. Now what you need to do is go to this website, YouTubetranscript.com. Now when you're on this website, all you just need to do is paste in the YouTube link. Now I know you are thinking to yourself, that was the Google Drive that was given to us, not a YouTube link. Now what you can do is to go ahead and upload that video on YouTube, and then you are also going to be saving it as unlisted and not public. And once you are done, bring the link over here and then click on Get Transcript. I've done that already, and you can see the transcript for my video. Now I'm still not going to spend the whole day trying to read through this transcript. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this button over here that says chat with the video, and it's going to load a new page for me. And you can see it says, hello, I am ready to answer any questions you have about this video. And what I'm going to do is click on this particular one, key points, which actually tells the chatbot to get the key points in this particular video. So I'm going to click on key points, and the AI is going to get to work and it's going to get me all the key points in this particular video. It's also going to give me the timestamps, so I already know what timestamps to look for when I am editing. So I'm going to go back to my editing tool, and then I am going to use the cut tool over here to cut out the parts that I do not like and leave only the essential parts that I want to use for my clips. So right here, I've been able to cut the clips into the parts that I like, and so I can go ahead and add some transitions if I want. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to actually add auto captions. So I'm going to go over to test, and then I'm going to go here, auto captions, and then it is going to automatically generate auto captions for me. Now once you have the auto caption already, the next thing you can also do is add some background music. So you can go to audio and then pick any background music you want. Just make sure that your background music does not drown your audio. So you can go ahead, edit your video, and once you are done, you can go over to export it. Now in case you are editing and you perhaps don't have any idea, or maybe you run out of inspiration to edit your video, you can go back to Whop and then click on submissions. Now you will actually find videos from other creators that have already been approved and are making them money. So you can actually look through any of these videos and get the inspiration that you need in editing your own video. And then finally, if you really want to automate your post and you perhaps don't want to go all through the time of editing all this content yourself, you could actually use a website called Opus Clips. Now you can see it says 1 long video, 10 viral clips, create 10 times faster. And all you just have to do is give it a link or give it the Google Drive link, or upload the video and then get clips in one click, and it's going to go ahead and provide you your clips that you can actually use right away. So this is actually one good way to also automate your content clipping. So finally, we are done with our editing. Let's go over and post on our social media account. Now you can actually post on your own social media account, or you can actually create a theme page. Now you can create a page similar to this that is in a particular niche. So you can create one for the health niche, one for the money niche, for the finance niche, for the motivation niche, and when you find offers that actually suit each niche, you will post on that particular page. This is actually better than creating a page for each offer. So it all depends on you and how you want to work, but it is best that you create a theme page. So once you have your page already, all you just have to do is click on create, go ahead and upload your video, and make sure that if the work tells you to put anything in the description, make sure that you have it in the description. So once you're done posting, the next thing you need to do within an hour of posting, click on your submit button here, and then right here you can go ahead and drop in your link and then drop in the video that you uploaded on your social media account, and you can go ahead and submit. And once your video is approved, you can start making money. So that is how easy it is to make money with content clipping. If you did find any value in this video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to like this video. Till I come your way again, as always, Tolu Abayomi is my name. Stay blessed. God loves you.